I'm Abhayat. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how can we install WordPress in localhost. We already installed Gem in our PC, so I'm not going to show you that again. I'm starting. So what we have to do, at first we have to open Jam control panel. We can open it from here, or also we can open that from the installation folder. You can see that jump is here, and we have to open jam control.execute file. You can see that it is here, but it's have a problem. Kindly, you can see that it's MySQL service is running now. You can see that here is a green background, but the Apache service is currently not running. That's why it is not have a green background. So we have to start the Apache service first. I'm going to start. So we are getting an error. Because of that, our Skype running, and we have to quit Skype to run that. I am quitting Skype. So now it will be play. I'm going to start Apache again. So it is now started. You can see that its background is now green. So now we are going to test that. If I go to localhost, then we will see that. Okay, the dashboard. That's mean the Apache and MySQL service is now running. Sorry, not Apache only. Apache and MySQL service is running now. After that, we have to install WordPress. Opening that and going to press Explorer button. You can see that here is the Explorer button. I'm pressing that, so we are getting that jump root directory. Now we have to open htdocs folder. Here is the all installed PHP script. You can see that I have already installed many WordPress several times. All are WordPress. Most of them are WordPress, not all are WordPress. So we have to install WordPress in htdocs folder. Now I'm going to copy. You can see that here is a folder called WordPress 4.4.2.zip. I already paste the download here, the latest download of WordPress here. Because of that, we have to install that in that folder. That's why I already copy and paste it in that folder. So I have to make a new folder in which folder we want to install WordPress. So now I'm going to make a folder and giving a name LEDP. Okay, that is the name. So now we have to LEDP. You can see that here is the folder LEDP. So we have to you can see when we open the zip folder, we will get a folder named WordPress. So we have to open WordPress and copy all of the file and paste it in the root directory where we want to install WordPress. So all file comes in LEDP folder very soon. In the meantime, we are going to create a database for our WordPress. I'm going to localhost and write php myadmin. So here is the list of all databases we created before. Yeah. Okay. There is a list of databases. I already created those. So I'm going to create a new database. Yeah, and we have to give a name. I'm giving the name LEDP, just same name. Create. Okay, create successful. So now here is that all file is cam in htdocs and ledp folder. You can see that uh, htdocs, then ledp, then all files cams here. Now I'm going to write localhost and ledp. Okay, we are now in the setup configuration .php file. So first we have to select the language. I'm going to select English, and WordPress telling me that we need a database name, database username, database password, and database host to install that, and table prefix. So we have all those data, and we are going to install. Let's go. Okay, we have to give a database name. We know our database name is LEDP. Username, we everybody know that the default username of JAMP is RWT root. So I'm putting root here, and there is no password. It's blank. Host database host localhost, and table prefix will be the same. Now we are going to submit that. Okay, run run the install. Okay, we need to put a site title. I'm going to LEDP web 2. Okay, username, I'm going to give a username. You can put any username here, but I'm going to give name LEDP admin. LEDP admin. This is the username, and password LEDP PW. You can put any password here. I'm giving I'm giving a LEDP PW. Okay, I'm going to give a weak password. That's why it's showing me a notice. So we have to confirm that we are sincere about that, and that's why we have to confirm here. We are putting a weak password, and we have to put a email. I'm going to put email admin. I'm just giving a fake email address here. Search engine visibility. We don't have to do nothing here, and run the install WordPress. Okay, our installation is complete, and it's showing us a success message. So, and now we can log into our dashboard. So let's go to take a look to our dashboard. I'm going to click sign in button. Okay, now we have to put the username. We already put LEDPU admin, LEDP. Okay, remember me. Okay. Okay, currently we are now in the dashboard of the new installed WordPress site. You can see here. And if we want to take a look into the front end, we can just visit our site here. This is our site. It is the front end of the website, and it is the back end of the website. So thank you for watching the video. If you like that video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Tata.